Hi coders, welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 4 of the Code Everyday series. So today we'll see string concatenation. Okay, let us quickly go to the system. So here we are back to our system. The previous day we have seen operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the mod. Today we'll see string concatenation. How do we concatenate two strings in Java? Let me quickly create a new class. Right click on this src folder, click on new, then go to Java class. Let me name this as code everyday 004. As I have already said, for every class there should be a main method. So let us write the main method, public static void main string args. Okay. So how do we concatenate two strings in Java? Let's see. Let me create a string with the name s. Let my first word be as hello. So let my second word be as world, and let me print this System.out.println s. Okay. Now you see, with the help of this add operator, we concatenate two strings in Java. Okay. Let me run and show you. See, hello world is getting printed. Okay. Suppose I want to take input from the user, like two strings given by the user. How do we do that? With the help of the scanner class object. Let me write scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, and we need to import this. That is import java.util.Scanner. Okay, let me comment this. Suppose I take the first string as s1 from the user. String s1 equals to sc.nextLine, and the second string as string s2 sc.nextLine. Okay, and we concatenate these two strings s1 plus s2. Let me run and show you. Here it's asking for the two strings. Let my first string be as hello and the second be as coders, hello coders. See, hello coders is getting printed. Suppose I want a space between these two strings. How do we get that? Let me rerun this. See, hello, and I give a space manually over here, coders. Okay, now we get hello coders. Suppose I don't want to give this as manually. What we'll do here, we'll add blank space between two strings. Okay, let me show you. Suppose my new string is hi coders, and see, we get a space. That's all for today. Bye bye and have a good day.